The Baldrige Performance Excellence Framework is a comprehensive organizational management model designed to improve long-term competitiveness through integrated performance management, continuous improvement, and strategic alignment. Originally developed through the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award in the United States, the framework has evolved into a globally recognized management system that enables organizations to assess organizational effectiveness holistically rather than relying solely on financial performance indicators. Within the program, the Baldrige framework provides a structured approach to performance analysis by linking leadership, strategy, customers, workforce, operations, knowledge management, and organizational results into a unified system of sustainable value creation. It recognizes that superior organizational performance emerges from the interaction of multiple organizational capabilities rather than excellence in isolated functional areas. At the center of the framework is leadership, which establishes organizational vision, ethical standards, governance principles, and strategic direction. Senior leaders are responsible for creating an organizational culture that promotes innovation, accountability, stakeholder engagement, and continuous improvement. Effective leadership aligns organizational values with strategic objectives while ensuring that decision-making supports long-term sustainability rather than short-term financial gains. Leaders must also foster transparency, risk awareness, and organizational learning to enable adaptability in rapidly changing business environments. Consequently, leadership serves as the primary driver that influences every other dimension of organizational excellence. The second component, strategic planning, ensures that organizational objectives are translated into actionable strategies supported by measurable performance targets and resource allocation decisions. Strategic planning within the Baldrige framework extends beyond traditional budgeting by integrating environmental analysis, stakeholder expectations, innovation priorities, risk management, and long-term organizational capability development. The framework emphasizes that strategy should remain dynamic and responsive to changing competitive conditions while maintaining alignment with organizational mission and vision. Strategic planning, therefore, provides the roadmap through which organizational resources are coordinated to achieve sustainable competitive advantage. A distinguishing feature of the Baldrige model is its emphasis on customer and market focus, recognizing that long-term organizational success depends upon understanding and responding effectively to customer needs and market dynamics. Organizations are expected to gather customer intelligence, measure satisfaction, anticipate changing expectations, and continuously improve products and services to enhance customer value. Customer relationships become strategic assets that contribute directly to innovation, reputation, market share, and financial performance. In increasingly competitive global markets, customer-focused organizations are better positioned to achieve sustainable growth and maintain competitive differentiation through superior stakeholder engagement. The framework also highlights the importance of measurement, analysis, and knowledge management, which acts as the central information system supporting evidence-based strategic decision-making. Reliable performance measurement enables organizations to monitor strategic objectives, evaluate operational efficiency, identify emerging risks, and allocate resources effectively. Knowledge management facilitates organizational learning by capturing, analyzing, and disseminating information across departments to improve innovation and decision quality. Rather than relying on intuition alone, strategic leaders use integrated performance data to guide organizational transformation and continuous improvement initiatives across all business functions. The workforce focus component recognizes employees as critical strategic assets whose knowledge, skills, engagement, and motivation directly influence organizational performance. High-performing organizations invest in leadership development, employee training, succession planning, diversity, well-being, and talent management to strengthen organizational capability. Empowered employees contribute not only operational efficiency but also innovation, adaptability, and customer satisfaction. The framework therefore encourages organizations to develop supportive cultures that align individual performance with organizational strategy while promoting continuous learning and collaborative problem-solving. Equally important is process management, which examines how organizational processes create value through operational excellence, efficiency, innovation, and quality management. Core business processes should be systematically designed, monitored, evaluated, and continuously improved to reduce waste, enhance productivity, and increase customer satisfaction. Process management integrates technology, quality assurance, digital transformation, and operational controls to ensure that organizational activities consistently deliver strategic objectives. Efficient processes strengthen organizational agility by enabling rapid adaptation to market changes while maintaining operational reliability and service quality. The final dimension, results, represents the ultimate outcome of effective integration across leadership, strategy, customers, workforce, processes, and knowledge management. Performance results encompass financial outcomes, customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, workforce engagement, innovation capability, governance effectiveness, and societal contributions. Rather than measuring success through profitability alone, the Baldrige framework evaluates balanced organizational performance across multiple stakeholder dimensions, reinforcing the principle that sustainable value creation depends upon excellence throughout the entire organizational system. The program illustrates this integrated structure by positioning leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, workforce focus, process management, and measurement systems as interconnected drivers of superior organizational results.